EzyCourse is a platform that allows you, content creators like me, to manage a membership, publish your business courses, manage a community, do some coaching, and do some built-in email marketing. And we will have a look at how it works. They offer a free trial. So this is what I'm doing now. I am actually signing up for their free trial, and we'll see how we can publish our business course. Okay, I am signing up. It takes some time to validate the form, and here we go. We are now in the free trial. Okay, let's go to the dashboard, and we have some new features. Okay, but we are not so interested in the new features because it's the first time we're here, so we don't know new compared to what you can have. A quick guide with existing tutorial videos and see how to start fast, or you can request a live demo with one of their team member. Okay, but this is not what we want to do right now. What we want is to see how we can reuse one of our existing course on their platform. So this is the dashboard. Okay, again, we can directly access tutorials, and we can always book a demo. But what we want to start, of course, is to maybe create a course. So what you can do with this website is to publish your courses. They will allegedly do some marketing on your behalf, but this is not something we will see right now in this video. What's important is that you can upload your course. You can also build your website. So they have a website builder. And yep, you have a lot of different pages. So this is kind of a demo. Let's have a look at one link. So the link, the page was created automatically on my behalf as a subdomain of their domain. And this is one test page. Up, and the test page is not working. Let's try maybe a checkout page. Oh, I have no product. Actually, we cannot really see much a product detail. Okay, not much, but anyway, if you don't have a website yet, you can use it to create your own website. It's all without coding. Select your page name, your menu, and your details, and it will help you to promote your brand and, of course, sell your courses, because at the end, that's what we want to do. We want to sell courses. So let's go to the courses page and have a look at other courses. I have no course yet. I will add one of my existing course and see how simple it is. So I have a single course. My course is Excel 365 for beginners, and you can enter here a short description. So this course will teach you Excel. I enter very little product details for now, because this, of course, it takes some more time and it's not so interesting in the video. But what we can do is, we can upload an image. I have my course right here. Actually, I don't have any image for this course, really. Okay, so this is not so important, and it is a public course where everyone can get in, but of course they will have to pay. Okay, up, and we create our course. Now we can create chapter. So for each chapter, you can enter details. So for example, the first one is introduction, and the first part of my course is always meet your instructor. Meet your instructor. Okay. Create and add a lesson. And here, that's actually a big difference with most other platforms. You have a lot of different content you can put in. So you can enter a video. This is what I usually do. Just some text, some PowerPoint, some PDF, audio, a quiz. I also use quizzes a lot at the end of each section of my business courses. There is always a quiz to allow the students to self-assess their progress. Survey, can add some assignments. So this I use on some more technical courses, but it is mostly, at least in my case, self-service exercises. You can add some downloadable content. You can do some live. This I never used, but why not? You can embed some web content, add some SCORM or HTML content, and multiple content. Okay. So it's pretty simple with a lot of content. And here, so let's add a lesson name. So in my case, it is the same introduction, and I upload my video. And here is my video. Let's use the original file and see how fast it is to upload a video. On some platforms, I have to compress my videos first because the original files are too big to be uploaded on their platforms. So let's see, for example, my introduction is, as you can see, 334 megabytes. So a third of a gigabyte. Let's see if it is moving. Is it drag and drop? No, it is not drag and drop. Let's go back. I thought it would be drag and drop. So click to upload. I don't have the option to, no. So let's upload, up, documents. Here, I find my file, my EzyCourse, and here we go. I have my video, a third of a gigabyte video. Let's see how fast it is uploading. So we have a progress bar that shows us how fast the video is uploading. And that's actually kind of one of the most important functionality, in my opinion, for an online business course, the ability to upload your videos in a fast and efficient way and without the need to do extra actions in your videos, just compressing or doing some extra editing that is extremely time consuming and that actually should probably be done by the platforms themselves. So let's see if EzyCourse is working. Of course, in this video, I will not go through the whole process, but maybe in another video we'll have a look at the published course and how it looks like on EzyCourse platform. Here we are just checking the basic functionalities and trying to see if it is actually a good platform to upload your course. And again, here we are in the free trial of EzyCourse. In any case, if you want to try EzyCourse for yourself, the link is in the description of the video. Have a look, try the free demo, and let us know in comments what you think about the platform, if it is useful for you or not, and what results you achieve, especially. And now the video is being processed, which is fine, and we can use it. So let's select the video and add it to our course. So here we go. We have our lesson, introduction, and we have the video. Now, okay. Now, description. This is our video. This is our video. We can include the zip file. Okay, create. So this was how to add a video to a course, and now I want to see how to add a quiz lesson. So quizzes are very important in my opinion, and usually adding quizzes to a course is the most time-consuming part because you have to do a lot of copy paste. So I have my quizzes ready in my course original PowerPoint. Like I have all the titles, the questions, the answers, comments for each answer, why it is good or why it is wrong. But all of this is a lot of copy paste. So let's say a lesson assessment. This is just to have a quick look, description, test your knowledge. So this is all these fields actually are a lot of copy paste. So let's see how it is. Okay, add questions. Oh, and we can generate random questions. Let's just have a look because that's funny. Select subject. There is no subject. Okay, one. Okay, so this is apparently not working. Would have been funny, maybe because I don't have enough content for them to create questions. Okay, so here we create a new subject. Subject name is question 1. So this is actually a lot of steps. Okay. Yes. Okay, I have a subject and now how to add a question. Questions. Okay. Yes, that's the subject. And how can I add question? Here, a new question. Okay. So usually what I do is one correct answer because that's the most simple, and that's a format that you can use on all platforms. So even when you publish your courses on another platform, you can still reuse your existing question and answer. So question is, um I don't know, is this a good course? That's of course not a real question, but it's just to put something. And here you put option one. So yes, marked as correct. And you can add an option, no, and this is not correct. And you can simply add options by clicking. Okay, and you can add points. And at the end, an explanation. This course is great. So only one explanation, which is what I like, because when you must add one explanation for each answer, it is again very time consuming to make or to perform all these copy and paste. So this course is great. Okay, create. And here we have one single choice question in our quiz. Okay, so as you can see, it is pretty simple to create content, and oh, this is very nice. You have a direct link to a specific lesson. So let's have a look in private browsing. What is my course? Okay, so here we have the page for our course on our subdomain of EzyCourse. And we have so a direct page. I didn't put much content yet. I will do it offline, and in another video, maybe we'll see the result, how it looks like, and how let you see by yourself how it can help you to sell your courses on this platform, EzyCourse.